Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to separate number from name with one click in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then issue the then name and do the under from the number. Then separate from the number to the name. Firstly, select from the all name and number. Now keyboard press from the Ctrl Z. Now click for the special option. Now click for contact option. And firstly, show the name. Now remove the number, lowest and figures. Now select from the text. Now click for the OK. Then select for the Ctrl C from the copy. Now then this is position. Now keyboard press from the Ctrl V and the paste. That's it. Then again from the separate number. Now select from the all text. Now keyboard press from the Ctrl Z. Now click for the special option. Now click for the contact option. Then select for the number. Then others option for the remove. Now for OK. Then same option. Now Ctrl C, Ctrl V, the paste. That's it. Then I show the separate number from names with one click in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for